Detective Bruno and Inspector Diesel?
That's right, Bruno.
Detective Bruno at your service. The mystery of the missing watermelons. Okay, let's search for clues.
The #1 engine. Whoa! All engines.
The green crystal or the pink crystal? Wait, Percy's green, and green is his favorite color. He'd go past the green crystal. Let's go that way.
The #1 engine. Whoa! All engines.
Oh, and quite splendid it looks too.
Sir Topham Hatt!
Thank you, Whiff. You've done a marvelous job. And thank you, Thomas and Percy, for delivering it.
Oh, so that's what was making the honking sound. Mr.